So SageMaker Automatic Model Tuning finds the best version of a model by running many training jobs on a dataset using the algorithm and ranges of hyperparameters that you specify. Then it chooses hyperparameter values that results in a model that performs the best. So here we measure by a metric that you choose. SageMaker Automatic Model Tuning is also known as hyperparameter tuning. It's just a type of fine tuning. SageMaker Automatic Model Tuning can be applied to built-in algorithms, custom algorithms, SageMaker pre-built containers. It can save you money for hyperparameter tuning by using ECS spot instances. The S is missing there. I'm just going to go ahead and add that in there. Before you start hyperparameter tuning, you need a data set, understanding the type of algorithm you're training, understand of how you measure success. Hyperparameter tuning might not improve your model. It is an advanced tool for building ML models. Consider it part of the scientific development process. When building complex deep learning neural networks, hyperparameter tuning is useful because there are too many combos to explore manually to optimize your deep learning model. So just remember, it's for finding the best version of a model. Let's just take a look at a use case. So you are using the XGBoost algorithm to solve a binary classification problem on a marketing data set. You want to maximize the area under the curve, the AWK metric for the algorithm. You have the following tunable parameters to optimize: ETA, alpha, min child weight, max depth, but you don't know which parameter to tune, which value to assign the parameter. So you use SageMaker Automatic Model Tuning and you specify the range of values. SageMaker will run a training job on a parameter value variance. It's not SageMaker, it's SageMaker. It turns the training job into the highest AWK or AUC, so area under the curve. How does this all work? Well, the hyperparameter tuning has two types of optimizations: random search and Bayesian search. There is another one, grid, but SageMaker does not use this one because it's very inefficient, but evaluates all possible combinations, could result in an unfeasible computation time, option only when number of candidates is limited enough. You have random search, so it's cheaper. As the name implies, it's completely random. It requires less significant time. You have Bayesian, which is a better iteration than the last one. It builds a distributed distribution of functions, so a Gaussian process. Each iteration, the Gaussian is updated to detect which region of the hyperparameter space to explore. The amount of iterations is determined and most optimal tuples returned. I got a lot of stuff on automatic model tuning, but this is enough for at least the AI practitioner. So depending on what you're doing, we're going to stop here, okay?